Welcome to the Olive Greens SSB video tutorial series.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all ready for the command task?
Yes, sir.
Good, George. Right. Now, command task, as you all are aware of, it's a very important task in the complete GTO series. Right? Now, as you are aware, it comes on the 4th day of the complete GTO proceedings. Now, in this command task, each one of you will be made a commander in your own turn. Right? Here, your numbers are irrelevant. I can call anybody of you for doing a task, and it could be of no sequence. Clear? Chess number 72. How are you?
Fine, sir.
You are happy here?
Yes, sir.
Any problems you are facing here? Huh? How many friends you have made in your group?
All of them, sir.
And you are confident of becoming the commander now?
Sir.
Okay, come with me. When the commander comes here, I shall be briefing the complete problem to you. Well, commander, if you stand here, you will find that this is a minefield within this circle. Some terrorist has planted this bomb, and we have been given this mission now to come inside this minefield, take this bomb and get out and defuse it. You shall come inside from any angles you want. There are certain structure here, there are certain structure here, and inside when you come also you will find certain structures. Now you have to nominate the subordinates who will be called from the group, which would be probably on the other side. And once they report to you, your time of 15 minutes will start. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Now, you are at liberty to call two of your subordinates. Whom you would like to call? Chess number 14 and chess number 22. Please come and report.
Rules of this task completely. Okay, that's good. Take this. Come over here.
Fortunately, before you come from there, you have taken the bomb for defusing it. You have done it very well without wasting any time. But before you coming back, what happened is this structure broke away, and you cannot use that structure which is in iron. Now there is a problem. What are you going to do now? Keep the bomb back.
Just about to please pick up this. And come from this side.
Commander, you got only 5 minutes left. Okay, good commander, it's a very good plan you did. Okay, you have done your job in time. I am happy about that. Well done. And done a good job. You could do the job in time. Thank you. You can keep your things and go back.
For a realistic and in-depth training, join the Olive Greens Institute, first floor Lohia Karpori Institute, near BSNL Telephone Exchange, Mani Majra, Chandigarh. Also, please check out our website at www.olivegreens.in.